and welcome back. And if it's your first visit, you are so lucky that you've chosen this video to be your first one. Welcome to my happy home. Welcome to today's video. This is a very special collaboration. My two lovely friends, Kristi over at Inspired Living with Kristi and Sherri from Pretty Simple Sherri, have teamed up and asked 11 of their friends to join them in a collaboration that is called Cozy Up for Fall. You guys, there is going to be a playlist of in total 12 creators, including myself, and we would like to share with you how we cozy up for fall. So if you are interested in seeing how I do that, then keep on watching. I want to take this time to thank Kristi and Sherri for hosting this wonderful collaboration. If you're not familiar with their channels by now, I will leave a link of both their channels in the description box below, so you make sure you go over to the channels and show them some love and support. I will also link the playlist down below, so you make sure that you check out all the other participants as well. So without any further ado, let's cozy up for fall. The sound of crisping fallen leaves, sweater weather, the scent of cloves, cinnamon and apples, blankets, candles, and of course pumpkins. These are all my season favorites. We just visited our first pumpkin fair for this season. After seeing all these different pumpkins in all sizes and colors, I was so ready to start decorating for fall. When I see so many beautiful different pumpkins, it's so hard for me to choose, but I managed to pick up a few cute ones that I'm going to be using for decorating my front porch. But that will be another video, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna start off by sharing with you how I decorate a part of my kitchen for this season. Before I start decorating, I love to light up a candle, and I got this Sand and Fog scented candle in the scent of pumpkin harvest. And you guys, before even lighting it up, it smells so good. I did a haul on this mini tray that I thrifted for only €1.50. If you missed that video, I will link it in the iCard up here. I'm just going to do a small makeover on this to use it as a part of my fall decor. After removing the hinges and cleaning up the parts, I am using my glue gun to attach the legs back to the tray. I want the tray to have a more vintage and weathered look, so I'm using the dry brush technique. I just mixed a little bit of black and brown acrylic paint, and I am applying that to the tray. Now let the decorating begin. I'm starting off by placing this beautiful greenery that I thrifted for €1. To create different heights, I am using this candle holder that I'm using as a riser. On my riser, I'm placing this mug that says Autumn, the maple leaves of autumn. I picked up this mug last year on my fall vacation in China. And in the mug, I am just placing one sprig of fall, just to give it that pop of fall color. And of course I have to add some pumpkins, you guys. So I'm adding this orange pumpkin, it's ceramic, and I had this piece of leaves that was just a leftover from one twig that I had, and this foam pumpkin as well. Now I'm just adding my 2 coffee sugars in the cocoa and cinnamon flavor. I do think it looks so cute so far, but I think the space underneath the tray is still too plain, so I'm going to fill it up a little bit more. I'm just going to use a wooden serving tray. That's this one, this round serving tray that I thrifted for I think only 50 cents. And on top of that, I just recently thrifted this super cute mug, you guys. It reminds me of a Ray Dunn mug. It is ceramic, but it has this vintage enamel look to it. So I am just adding this to this tray, and of course I want another pumpkin to go with that, and underneath the pumpkin I am placing this fall leaf. And this is how it looks. I am so happy with the fall touches, the colors and the pumpkins. So for now, I think this is what I'm going for. Now let me show you a little bit more of the space. I'm not going to do a complete tour because the rest of the kitchen is not done yet, and I will be doing a separate fall tour on that. So of course stay tuned for that as well. But for now I think this looks so cozy and inviting with all the fall touches, the oranges, and of course the scent of this pumpkin harvest candle. Now this sign is something that I had last year. It's just a print out from the internet that I placed into a frame. Now on to the next space. I want to share with you how I create my dining table centerpiece. First I'm starting off by cleaning my table. You guys, I am adding my DIY buffalo check table runner. I'm so happy with this. In my next video, I will share with you how I created this. Let me start off by sharing with you what I'm going to be using for this centerpiece. I have these candle holders and these hurricanes. I have some coffee beans that I used in my decor last year, you guys. These smell so good. And I have some chestnuts that I'm going to be using. I can really recommend using these, you guys, for as vase fillers, and you can just find them anywhere. Next I have these pumpkins. They were orange. I just painted them white, and these fabric pumpkins were a DIY. I did a video on that last year. I will link that in the iCard up here if you have missed that. Next I have some florals and some pine cones, and of course some fall picks. So let's get started. I'm starting off by placing my 3 hurricanes in the center of the tray so I can work my way around them. If you missed that haul, you guys, I thrifted these hurricanes as a set for only €2.20. I will leave a link in the description box below. Next I'm adding my 2 fabric pumpkins as a base, so my tray is set. I can start filling up the gaps. Now I'm just filling up the hurricanes with the coffee beans. On top of the coffee beans I'm going to add the chestnuts. Here I'm just picking up the smaller chestnuts to fill the smaller hurricane, and the rest I'm going to use for the medium and the large hurricane. I can totally recommend using coffee beans as a face filler, you guys. It is such an easy and inexpensive way, and it smells so good. Now here I'm just adding my tea lights on top of the chestnuts. And now I'm just adding my 2 wooden candlesticks at both ends of the tray, and on top of those I am placing my 2 white pumpkins. And this is the final result. I am truly loving how this turned out. And you guys, if you've noticed, I switched out a few of the items and I've added these cotton ball stems because I wanted to brighten up the centerpiece a little bit more. I'm loving all the natural elements, the woods, the burlaps, the pine cones, and of course the coffee beans, you guys. It makes it all feel so cozy. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed this video and that I was able to motivate you and to inspire you to decorate and to cozy up for fall. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I want to thank Kristi and Sherri for hosting this wonderful collaboration, and of course all the other participants that have joined me on this one. Don't forget to check out the playlist and everyone who has joined me on this collaboration. So for now, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I see you in the next video really soon. Until then, remember to always live, laugh and love, and have a very cozy fall season. Bye guys!